Real estate, always a hot topic in our neck of the woods. Geraldine Santiago, author and realtor, joining us right now. Today we're talking about the angle of maximizing your lot's potential. We'll cover off buyers and sellers, but when it comes to the seller, what are the most important things we need to consider when looking at the lot itself?
You have to look at the zoning. Zoning is one of the most important things that you need to look at right now. Your lot size. What's your lot size? You should know your lot size like you would your shoe size or your dress size. 33 by 127, is that your lot size, or is it 110 by 231? You should know that as much as you would know the number of bedrooms and bathrooms in your home.
So when you get this down, and especially when it comes to zoning bylaws, you were saying that the first place you want to start is the City of Vancouver website to understand what your options are before even proceeding.
That's right. cityofvancouver.ca. You input your address, and you just click on submit, and it shows you exactly what your zoning is.
Okay, so let's take an example where we're looking at a lot. In the case of being the seller, what are the things we want to consider? Because we do have some photos, and take us through this example right here.
This is a home in East Vancouver, and I always say to people, look at your neighborhood to see what people are doing, if they've already upsized or if they've already gone through the permits. But here you can't really see that. What this is an RT10, and this property allows you to have multiple developments on your lot. You can see that you can have an infill home in the back plus 2 suites on the main house. So that's really maximizing your lot and your lot's potential. You might have a diamond in the rough in your backyard, and you might be underselling and undervaluing your property. So you have to work with a realtor, an architect, and a designer, so you'll know exactly what your full potential is.
And for buyers on the other end, if they're considering a lot, maybe the house looks a little older, what are the major factors they need to consider as well?
Most of the time I deal with first-time home buyers, and they're looking at a small bungalow, and it's really worn down, and it doesn't even meet their needs. And they're asking me, why is this $750,000? But when I explain the zoning capabilities of what it can be, you could actually have an infill house in the back or a laneway home, then they see the potential and they breathe a little easier. So
best resources for anybody watching considering getting more information about this, where should they go?
Well, you go to my website, VancouverFirstTimeHomebuyer.ca. You can go to the City of Vancouver. And I also have on my website a secondary suite matrix and bylaws from Anmore to Whistler. So I think that's also important.
Okay, there's the website on screen, and you have an event coming up as well, a seminar, April 12th, 1 to 3 p.m. And we'll have details on screen right there. Geraldine, thanks for coming in.
Thank you very much, Riaz.